What if there was a way you could come to clutch.co, which is a place where B2B companies list themselves to find more business. You can filter by the different types of companies that are listed over here. Let's say you want marketing companies, you want a digital marketing agency, and basically you're able to apply a bunch of different filters and then export all of these companies in a CSV file so that you can reach out to them and sell your services. All of this on complete automation. Well, this is possible due to a Chrome extension which we have developed inside of LeadWave, which is known as a clutch scraper. All you need to do is simply come over to clutch.co, which is a site where these companies list themselves, search for the type of companies you're looking for, and over here you can apply all the different filters like what services they offer, like how much should the clients of these companies, like what should be their budget, their hourly rates, their industry, like all these different things. Basically come over to all filters to basically search for the exact type of companies you want and just copy paste the URL over here. After that, open the LeadWave clutch scraper, paste the URL and select how many leads you want. So let's say I want 100,000 different companies. I'll select that and click on the export leads button, and now as you can see, it has started scraping. Let it run in the background. You don't need to do anything, just leave it running. You can close clutch, like you can just use your computer normally in the background, and I'll download around 10 results to show you what the final output looks like. So let's say I wanted to download it. Now I'll open it up in Google Sheets to show you the data. File, open, upload, and I'll just upload the file which we just downloaded. I'll also show you some ways you can enrich this data inside of LeadWave too. Yep, as you can see, we have access to the data. We are able to find, like I'll make this column a bit shorter so that you can actually see the data as well. So yeah, you can see we're able to find the clutch URL, we're able to find the name of the company, the logo, tagline, description, the URL of the website. We're also able to find the telephone number, and yeah, let's say these companies are slightly smaller in size. You can maybe reach out to them. They might be like the direct phone number and not maybe a landline number or something which belongs to a receptionist. So you can try that. But let's say you wanted to find the verified valid email addresses of the people who work in these companies or also their phone numbers. What you can do is you can simply copy the website URLs of these companies. You can come over to LeadWave. You can go to the lead enrichment section over here. You can watch this tutorial to see how to use it properly, and you can just enter the bunch of different websites and enter the job titles which you want. Let's say I only want the founders that work in these companies. Select how many maximum employees you want per company. I only want one, and click on the enrich domains, and now you'll be able to find the exact verified valid email addresses of people who work there. You can see we're able to find like 10 different domains because we only try to enrich 10. So I'll open it up in Google Sheets and show you what the data now looks like for this as well. Another thing you can do is if you want to reach out to these companies via the social URLs, you can come to website extraction, paste the URLs, and you can extract the phone numbers, email addresses, and the social media URLs listed on the website as well. So that's definitely possible too. You can see this as the data which you're able to find. So Brian Phelps is the founder of bigleap.com, and you can see we have the phone number, like this is like the actual phone number. This is definitely not like a landline number. So basically you can play around with this your world, like it depends on your creativity how you want to use it. Now if you want to know how exactly you can download this Chrome extension, this was the demo of how it works. Below this video on the LeadWave section where it says like clutch scraper, you'll find a link to download the extension. After you click on that link, you'll be taken to this place over here where you can simply download this. So that's going to be like a Google Drive file. Click on LeadWave clutch scraper and just simply click on the download button. It will search for like viruses or something, and don't worry, I'm not trying to inject a virus in your computer. And once Google has scanned it, it's simply going to open it up, the thing. Then you can maybe like simply just double click on it so that you can extract the data. And then all you now need to do is I'll actually remove the original extension so that I can show you what it looks like from scratch. Yeah, all you need to do is come over here, click on this puzzle icon here, click on the manage extensions, and over here ensure developer mode is turned on, so it will be off by default. Turn it on, click on the load and pack button here, and simply open the folder which you have just extracted. As you can see, this is the exact folder which we had just unzipped right now. I'll open it up and click on the select button, and as you can see, it has now been successfully loaded. LeadWave clutch scraper, I'll pin it, and yeah, you can paste the clutch link and then simply start scraping it.